y'all, I decided to pick up one. Hey, I am here at Walmart doing the Black Friday deal pickup. I decided to go ahead and pick up one just to see what these large items consisted of. So yeah, I love my subbies because I'm only doing it so that I can show y'all before y'all get out here and be looking like how I'm looking like. Whew, I don't know what I was thinking when I did this, but we here now. And let's just pray that it's not TVs. Because if it is, guess where they're going to be? Right here at Walmart. Let me turn my stuff on here so I can tell these people what's going on. Alright, y'all. So this is what we have. We have TVs. This is what I got to pick up. TV. And a power motor. 3 of them. Jesus. All right, y'all, so let's discuss these TVs. I had 3 TVs. Let me make sure I turn this off. So I had 3 TVs, 2 at one house. It wasn't that bad, but I will tell you that if you get a large in the Black Friday deal, It's more than likely going to be a 55-inch TV. And it's more than likely going to be a 55-inch TV and or a vacuum cleaner. That's what one of the associates told me at Walmart. So just letting y'all know, y'all gonna be catfished, but it's gonna be a TV. That's for sure. But it wasn't bad. The TV, it wasn't heavy at all. And I was actually able to do it alone. The last one that you saw that I did, it was because it was up some steps, so the little girl did have to grab the end of it. But other than that, it wasn't bad. Now, do I want to always do TVs? Oh no. As long as I see some small items orders for the Black Friday deals, then yeah, I probably will be jumping on those. But other than that, no. But it wasn't bad, so no need to be scared. If I can do it, and I had said I wasn't gonna do it, if I can do it, you can do it. Trust me.